long ago came out. We thought we never see the time when we stayed on the tracks. But there are many places like these, so it's time for Train Tales. 6 clothes or 6 engines. Ah, who's this? Well, it's Stanley, of course. Stanley! I haven't seen you for a while now. Where have you been? I've been at the back of the shed. They're gonna turn me into a pump generator. Wow. How's Smudger? I think he was sent away somewhere. I think he was sent to the mainland. Oh. Shame. Alan, you always think those engines are your friends. Hey! Aaron had to leave. That's odd. A miner walked out. What's going on? The mine is... Something's happening in the mine. I'll check it out. What's happening, Stanley? I'm leaking! Uh-oh. You'll flood the mine. Here are all the men. Take them away. What about you? Go! A rock hit Stanley's face and created a mark. Stan? Oh, I'm not leaving you here. He pulled him off the pipes which flooded the mine, and he rolled fast away. Alan soon made it out safe and sound. Thanks. I thought I didn't deserve a second chance. Everybody does, once in a while. Thanks. Oh, you got something on your face. It's nothing. It doesn't hurt that much. How do you feel pain? Simple. Things touch us. If things touch us hard, we get hurt. And our faces can get marks. That's a nice fact. What is going on here? What is going on here? Aaron, you saved them. Yes, but we want our money back. You don't pay people, we pay you, said the manager. Yes, but we quit. The mine's flooded. There's no point in keeping it open anymore. But we could dig it back up. But what will be left for us? In these times, we have to feed families. And you think we can just last a few 2 months without money? Well, that's it. We're finding new jobs. And the men walked away. Now what? I guess we have to close the mines. Stanley was sent away. And Alan was sent to was sent to a railway. Aaron was left in a shed, alone, no one to talk to but himself. No one even checked on him. One day, somebody came up to the door. Who's there? The man opened the door. Who are you? I am Mr. Percival. the then controller of the Skarloey Railway. That old line? I heard about that. I think that's where I heard of that, but I'll miss my friends Stuart and Falcon. Oh, they're on our line. Now they're called Sir Handel and Peter Sam. Ah, will you need a lorry to pick you up? Besides, this line is being set for construction. Oh, some miniature line is being built. Uh-huh. So we need to get you out of here. But you'll be nice and cozy on the road. After a day, and it made it till the early morning. Finally made it. I'm back! Ah! What is that racket? Duncan. Aaron, my good chap. What's all the commotion? Aaron? Hi, Alan. I haven't seen you in what's it been? 5 years? That's not very long. Well, it's still long to me. Well, can you keep the emotions up? I'm trying to get my sleep. Duncan. Okay, I'll keep the emotions down. Yep, because these two have funny stories about getting pulled over by the police, and ooh, I can't wait to tell that to Gordon. You too! Sorry, Grandpa. Sorry, Sir Glowy. Mini engines. What's the mini engine? You haven't been around for a while. And that's why Skarloey, Smudger, and Stanley, Peter Sam, and Duke, along with Aaron and Alan, shall stay here. Why was I brought here? You were supposed to help us at our slate quarry. The work is a little too much for Rusty and me and for us to do. And us being station pilots doesn't help. Oh, I understand about that. Anyways, there won't be any trains for a while. So the 4 engines left to do their work. But soon, the 6 engines gazed at the sun. But soon, the 7 engines gazed at the sun. They missed all their other Midsolar friends. And I think you'd miss your friends too. But a little piece of the past is all that can help you. Don't you think so? The end.